Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. He started his YouTube channel back on May 21st, 2013. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 1.8 million. Total amount of views is currently 124 million views. Average daily subs is at 1,473, and monthly subs is at 44,203. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 133,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $390. Monthly income is $11,970. And now the annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Income is $143,640. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $79,000. I like to make stuff. Shop. Now this is what he sells on his website. He sells these things. Mostly plans and t-shirts, merch. So he currently has 1.8 million subscribers. And let's say 1% of his subscriber buys something. That's 18,000. And I would say that the average price point on his website is about $20. So he makes about $10 profit. So 18,000 times 10 is $180,000 profit that he makes a year just from his shop. It's pretty good. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.